The Envision app comes with a handy feature to allow users to organize the frequently used options tailored to their requirements. In this video, Mr. Oudie Vann walks us through the sorting feature of the Envision app.
Hello Blind Health Project community, my name is Oudie Vann. Today I will make the video how to customize menu in Envision AI. As you know, in my previous video I was review about scan text, re-upgrade, include ask Envision, that is the AI option, and then describe scene. And then this video I will make demonstration how to customize the menu. You know, you can customize the menu according to your need, that how you want the feature to be appeared according to your need. Previously, you cannot adjust the option and customize by your own. When you download the application, the developer build the feature or set up the feature, you still use by default developer setup. But now you can adjust the option according to your need. So let's start.
Envision AI. Envision AI.
Before we start, I tell you a few things about the customized menu. You can customize menu by swiping all the way right to find the menu structure, or you can go into the settings tab. You can find the menu structure also. The menu structure include with two main options in there. The first one is main menu. Main menu is the feature that you use in your home page of application, such as like these.
Instant text. Scan text. Import files. Envision library. Describe scene.
Okay, this is how the feature that appeared in the main menu. The second option is more features menu. This means designed you can hide option that you don't use the most to be disappeared in the main menu, make it appeared in the more features menu. So let's customize with me, and I will hide some feature that I don't use most. This is all the feature that I have in main menu.
Instant text. Scan text. Import files. Envision library. Describe scene. Finding objects. Detect colors. Explore. Menu structure.
Okay, I have 7 options. So let's explore the
Menu structure.
menu structure.
Menu structure.
In here, you will have 2 options as I mentioned earlier. The first one is main menu and the second one is more features menu. Let's explore main menu.
Menu structure. Main menu.
This is the main menu that my feature shown you earlier. So let's see.
Instant text. Move up. Move down. Hide instant text from the main menu.
As you see that I mentioned earlier, you can move the feature to be appeared according to your need. You can move the feature up, move the feature down, and the third and last one is you can hide the feature from the main menu to be appeared in the more features menu if you use this option from time to time. So I just want to move the scan text to be appeared in the first or on the top left side in the menu.
Scan text.
Okay, I can move this feature up.
Move up.
Now the feature has been moved. You don't need to go back to the main menu to look at the feature that I moved. I can only see in the menu structure either.
Main menu.
Let's see.
Scan text.
Scan text, it's appeared in the first main menu or the top left corner. So I will move the feature called describe scene to be in the third option. This is my first option in the main menu.
Main menu. Scan text.
Scan text at the first.
Move up. Disable. Move down. Hide scan. Instant text.
Instant text at the second.
Move up. Move down. Hide instant text. Import files.
Import file at the third.
Move up. Move. Hide import file. Envision library.
Envision library at the fourth.
Move up. Move down. Hide Envision library. Describe scene.
Okay, this is the feature called describe scene. If I want to move this feature to the third one, I have to click move up 2 times.
Describe scene.
Okay, I need to move up again.
Move up. Import files. Hide. Move. Move up. Describe scene.
Okay, describe scene is at the third option that I have adjust or customize it.
Main menu.
Let's see.
Scan text. Move up. Move to hide scan text. Instant text. Move to hide instant text from the main menu. Describe scene. Move to hide describe scene from the main menu.
Okay, this is how you can customize the menu of your Envision application according to your need. Let's explore the more featured menu, that is hidden features or hidden function.
Finding objects.
I need to hide these finding object.
Hide finding objects from the main menu.
Okay, double tap on this. The feature has been disappeared in the main menu.
More features menu.
Okay, this is the last section called More Features menu. You can adjust the option according to your need, like the main menu.
Find people.
Find people at the first.
Add teach faces.
Teach faces at the second.
Add teach faces to the main menu.
If you hide the feature by accidentally, you can add the feature to the main menu in More Features menu section in menu structure.
Scan barcode. Add scan accessible QR. Add scan X finding objects.
Okay, I will move finding object to the top left corner of More Features menu.
Finding objects.
I will move again.
Add finding objects.
I will move that again.
Add finding objects.
Move again.
Add finding objects.
Okay.
Disabled.
If you move to the top left, it will be called Move Up Disable. That's how you can customize the menu of your Envision AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for Envision AI user. If you don't understand, please leave us a comment down below and we'll be glad to answer any specific question. So that's it for today. If I'm mistaken about English speaking, please forgive me and see you guys next video. Goodbye.